Alright guys, I'm back with another tips and tricks video. Haven't done a tips and tricks video in a while. So I'm finally getting back to doing that. For this one, we are going to be doing weapons and catch spam and what weapons are perfect for it. Because a lot of people ask which ones are perfect. They don't ask me this, but y'all don't gotta ask anymore. Because I'm gonna deliver which ones are great for it. Because even though I did a how to do the 3 cat spam type of video, alright, but even though I've already done that, I'm gonna be doing what weapons are gonna be perfect for it. So we're gonna start off with primary. Primaries, get yourself a shotgun. Get yourself the strongest shotgun you got. For a backup, get something that's not automatic. I'm gonna get the Dead Star for example. You can see here that this thing has delay, no matter what. So Desert Eagle for example. But if you have a backup with delay, let me show you. That is delay. But however you switch too late, it won't get delayed. See, Exterminator gets both delay and receives delay. What you want to do is this, in case you're not familiar. Yeah, that's delay. Laser Bouncer receives. Also, Laser Bouncer does receive delay. Watch. There. This also applies to Reflector. This one right here that I have not purchased. See, these only have one delay. These only give delay. These don't receive it. These, however, receive it. But here's a special technique that I want to teach y'all. Isn't that just so cool? For melees, get something with 75 or 85 mobility like this. I just recommend 85 mobility the most. Like this one. This one, since this one was 65, not changed to 75. Do not get a flamethrower. By the way, guys, do not do 2 cat. This one has a long delay, so also, I've never taught melee switch before, haven't I? So messed it up twice. Melee switch is hard, to be honest. But you can sometimes use a heavy to either to rocket jump or finish off an enemy. I'd say this one, since this one doesn't do self damage. Even if you're not in spawn protection. But if you do it at a wall, then it would. See, here's some heavies that do not do any self damage that I've known so far. This one used to not do any self damage, but now this one receives fixed delay and it's self damage. I don't think it rocket jumps anymore. This one does, but you don't even have to fully charge it out. These two don't have rocket jump. Well, they do, except they don't do any damage. Soda Launcher does no self damage. Firestorm doesn't either. But if you're gonna survive longer while cat spamming, use one of these two, because they both had the healing. So I'm even gonna show more examples on weapons that can do zero self damage. I'm just giving examples of weapons that do not do self damage. So I'm just giving examples. I'll get back to the major topic in a minute. This one is fixed delay. See, look, there. And the last example, this one. These are just ones that maxed out. Dark Mage one also does this, but it will But if you just do self at the ground, boom, that's self damage. But it's great because it doesn't even have travel time. See, even bow and arrows can work perfectly. Or even this one. See, this one has tiny delay, so this one gets input and output. See, look, it just has a little bit of delay. See, look, do not do this. Just do this. Also, some shotguns can cancel delay, and some shotguns even have delay. Like Prehistoric Shotgun, for example, Viking and Ultimatum. See, those were all examples of snipers that can do. So far, no snipers have fixed delay. That's a good thing. But soon that's gonna happen. This one has delay. See, that's delay. Do not do that. Always stick with Necklace, the Ice King, Darts, Alligator in case you want a rocket jump, Fidget Thrower. Fidget Thrower, even though it has travel time, I do recommend using it for cat spam anyway. Even Shuriken Thrower, even though it's not that strong, it has that fast fire rate, which is a reason. Even Barrier Rifle, Dracula, this thing is weak. I mean, Snowball is somewhat one. Ritual Blade, Tactical Tomahawk, or others, they have travel time, so it's another reason that Necklace and Darts are the most worth it special weapons. They have no delay and no travel time either. Same goes to the Portable Death Moon. Or here's a secondary type of way to do the cat spam routine. Let me just whip out my darts for a minute. See, backup special sniper. See, that is right, but let me try it again. And that's it. I guess y'all listened close enough, and y'all know how to do cat spam. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and his tips and tricks on how to do cat spam. Take note, I want this tutorial to, you know, even though there are already other tutorials, my tutorial is not the first. But it might be one of the more popular ones you may see. So I will get out of here. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. And I'll see all of you guys later. See ya!